I'll guide you through how to make bricks in Minecraft, and this will work in Minecraft Java and Minecraft Bedrock and pretty much any version of Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this. What you actually need to go and make bricks in Minecraft is clay, and you're going to go and find clay in the water. So as you can see, here I am by some water, and you're going to go and notice clay, and it's this sort of light blue block. As you can see, here it is. And so what you'll need is a shovel, and when I go and start to sort of hit it, as you can see, it'll break, and then I can start to go and collect it. I'll go and get a bit more like this. And then to go and use the clay to go and get bricks, what you then need to do is go and smelt the clay. So if we then go to a furnace, for example, this one here, I'll go and place the clay into the furnace, and the clay will then go and be smelt into a brick. And as you can see, we can go and collect these. And then once you have 4 bricks, what you can do is go and craft them, for example, like this, into a brick block. And there we go, guys. That is how you can go and make clay in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing. Peace.